Shri Manohar Parrikar ji, Honorable Defence Minister of India, Shri K.T. Ramarao, Honorable Minister for IT, Industries and Commerce, Municipal Affairs and Urban Development, Mines and Geology, Public Enterprises, NRI Affairs, Government of Telangana, Dr. S. Christopher, Director General, Defence Research and Development Organization, Mr. Pratyush Kumar, President, Boeing India, Mr. David Cooper Smith, dignitaries from the Government of Telangana, representatives from the media, representatives from Boeing and the Tata Group. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today at the groundbreaking ceremony of Tata Boeing Aerospace Limited, a joint venture between Tata Advanced Systems Limited and Boeing Defence, Space and Security in Hyderabad for the manufacture of AH-64E Apache fuselage. While TASL has been actively engaged with Boeing on AH-6I and Chinook structures, it's our belief that this joint venture is a key step for Boeing and Tata to forge the way towards building an indigenous aerospace ecosystem in support of Make in India. This in turn will empower India's youth as a high technology precision manufacturing destination. This project has great significance also for the state of Telangana and the city of Hyderabad. It will reinforce Hyderabad's position on the global aerospace map. The Tata-Boeing partnership is a glowing example of collaboration between India and the United States of America. TBAL has been entrusted with delivering the AH-64 Apache fuselage at world-class standards of precision and quality. It also demonstrates the success of the Tatas in developing a highly skilled and motivated workforce in manufacturing which is ready to undertake high-technology work for the global customers. This would be of significant importance to the Indian Armed Forces in their desire to produce products locally. Tata Advanced Systems has been recognized for its outstanding product quality by the American Helicopter Society, the premier global organization for vertical flight, who awarded it their prestigious International Fellowship Award, the first time ever an Indian company has received the award. We have also been awarded BDS Gold rating for quality and performance for the Boeing AH-6I program. At this stage, I would like to take the opportunity of thanking the Government of India and Ministry of Defence for their dedicated push for Make in India initiatives, which has provided an unprecedented opportunity and impetus for aerospace and defence industry to grow in India. Also, I would like to thank the Government of Telangana for the support they have provided to us and urge that they take proactive measures to ensure Hyderabad's continued attractiveness as a destination for the industry. My best wishes to the entire team. Thank you so much for being here.